Imagine a world where giant armored fish ruled the ocean and huge flightless birds dominated the land. Big jaws, giant fins, and massive wings. These might sound like dinosaurs, but even stranger and scarier creatures lived on Earth long before them. In this video, we'll uncover the ancient monsters that ruled before the dinosaurs. Let's dive into this fantastic and spooky journey through time. Dunkleosteus, the armored giant. Meet Dunkleosteus, a colossal prehistoric fish from the Devonian period, approximately 382 to 358 million years ago. This massive predator, over 9 meters long and weighing up to 4 tons, was a sight to behold. Covered in thick bony armor, Dunkleosteus had a robust, heavily plated head and body that looked like an underwater tank. Its head was particularly distinctive, with large, sharp, bony plates instead of teeth, forming a terrifying, toothless jaw. Dunkleosteus' appearance was nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine a creature with a broad, flat head, almost like a battering ram, with eyes positioned high on its skull to survey its surroundings. Its body, while streamlined, was encased in armor-like plates that provided a formidable defense against any would-be attackers. The plates could be up to 5 centimeters thick, offering significant protection. But the most striking feature of Dunkleosteus was its jaw. Equipped with 2 pairs of sharp, bony plates, its jaws were capable of slicing through almost anything. These plates acted like a pair of self-sharpening shears, capable of delivering a bite force of over 5,000 newtons, making it one of the most powerful biters in the history of evolution. The jaws could open and snap shut in milliseconds, allowing Dunkleosteus to capture its prey with incredible speed and precision. In its ecosystem, Dunkleosteus was the top predator. It hunted anything it could catch, from fish to crustaceans to even other Dunkleosteus. Living near the surface where the sunlight penetrates the water, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its marine environment. Doriaspis, the peculiar fish, a primitive jawless fish from the Devonian period, is one of the most intriguing ancient creatures. Known for its cantaloupe-shaped body armor and extended gill plates, Doriaspis stood out in its prehistoric waters. This unique fish had a body encased in distinctive flask-shaped armor. Its gill plates extended outward and curved downward in a triangular fashion, providing both protection and a unique appearance. Additionally, Doriaspis had a long, thin tail adorned with rows of thick scales, giving it a streamlined look. Doriaspis inhabited the shallow seas and coastal waters of what is now northern Europe, specifically around Spitsbergen. These ancient waters teemed with marine life, providing a rich feeding ground for Doriaspis. As a filter feeder, it likely consumed small particles of organic matter suspended in the water. Its peculiar body structure suggested it could have used its extended gill plates to create currents, drawing water and food particles towards its mouth. In the ancient marine ecosystem, Doriaspis occupied a unique niche. It was neither a top predator nor a simple prey item, but an essential part of the food web as a primary consumer. By filtering plankton and other tiny organisms from the water, Doriaspis helped maintain the balance of the marine ecosystem, supporting the higher trophic levels, such as larger fish and early marine reptiles, which fed on creatures like Doriaspis. Scientists theorize that these physical features played a crucial role in Doriaspis' survival. There are 2 main hypotheses about its lifestyle. Some believe Doriaspis was a pelagic swimmer, using its tail and gill plates for efficient movement in open water. Others suggest it was a bottom-dwelling filter feeder, sifting through sediments to find food. Mosasaurus, the river lizard. Mosasaurus, a giant aquatic reptile from the late Cretaceous period, approximately 82 to 66 million years ago, was one of the most formidable predators of its time. Resembling a gigantic, streamlined crocodile, this massive creature could reach lengths of up to 15 meters, making it one of the most giant marine reptiles ever. With robust jaws, powerful limbs adapted into flippers, and a long paddle-like tail, it was an apex predator in ancient oceans. Its strong, muscular jaws had rows of sharp teeth, perfect for gripping and slicing through prey. Unlike most reptiles, it had flippers instead of limbs, allowing agile and swift movement through the water. Its long paddle-like tail provided powerful propulsion, making it a fast and efficient swimmer. The physical traits of this giant reptile were ideally suited for hunting. Its streamlined body and flippers enabled it to chase down fast-moving prey effortlessly. With excellent vision compensating for its poor sense of smell, it could spot prey from a distance. Its high metabolic rate, indicative of a warm-blooded creature, meant it could sustain prolonged periods of activity and remain active in cooler waters. Employing a combination of ambush and pursuit tactics, it could swiftly close in on its target using a powerful tail, then deliver a deadly bite with its strong jaws. Some evidence suggests that it might have used cooperative hunting techniques, similar to modern-day killer whales, to take down larger prey. This opportunistic predator's diet included various marine life. Its prey likely consisted of fish, sharks, squid, ammonites, and even other marine reptiles, including smaller mosasaurs. Evidence suggests it could also prey on seabirds, and possibly scavenge when the opportunity arose. The versatility of its diet allowed it to thrive in diverse marine environments. The giant reptile inhabited the vast and warm epicontinental seas that covered much of what is now North America and Europe during the late Cretaceous period. These shallow seas, rich in marine life, provided an ideal hunting ground. Fossils have been found in areas that were once part of these ancient seaways, including a widespread presence in aquatic habitats. As an apex predator, it had few natural enemies. However, it was not entirely without threats. Larger individuals of its own species might have competed for territory and resources, leading to occasional confrontations. Additionally, young mosasaurs would have been vulnerable to predation by more giant marine reptiles and possibly large predatory fish. Despite these challenges, the adult lizard was at the top of the food chain with its formidable size and power. Terror birds, the predatory giants. These large, flightless carnivorous birds dominated South America during the Cenozoic era. Standing up to 3 meters tall, they had powerful legs for running and a massive beak for striking prey. They were the apex predators of their time. These birds, also known as phorusrhacids, were equipped with several physical traits that made them effective hunters. Their most distinctive feature was their massive hooked beak, ideal for delivering lethal blows to prey. This beak could crush bones and pierce through flesh with ease. Their powerful muscular legs allowed them to run at high speeds, making them adept at chasing down swift prey. These legs could also enable them to deliver powerful kicks, potentially hindering their victims. Additionally, they had strong neck muscles that supported their large heads and allowed for rapid, forceful strikes. The migration of these predatory giants to North America significantly impacted local ecosystems. This migration occurred during the Great American Biotic Interchange, when the Isthmus of Panama rose, connecting the two continents. They introduced a new dynamic to the North American food web as apex predators. They competed with native predators like large mammalian carnivores and preyed on local herbivores, altering the balance of these ecosystems. Studying these ancient birds provides valuable insights into prehistoric predator-prey dynamics. They exemplify how top predators can influence their environments and drive the evolution of both their prey and competing predators. The adaptations seen in these birds, such as their powerful legs and beak, highlight the importance of physical traits in the success of predators. Additionally, their migration and subsequent impact on North American ecosystems illustrate how the movement of species can reshape ecological relationships and lead to new evolutionary pressures. These insights also shed light on the broader animal migration patterns, adaptation, and survival in changing environments. Platybelodon, the shovel-tusked elephant. Platybelodon, a fascinating herbivorous mammal from the Miocene period, is best known for its distinctive shovel-shaped lower jaw. This unique feature not only distinguished it from other prehistoric creatures, but also played a crucial role in its feeding habits and ecological niche. This ancient mammal was a large, imposing animal, similar in size to modern elephants. It stood approximately 2.8 to 3 meters tall at the shoulder and could weigh up to 4 tons. Its most striking feature was its lower jaw, which extended into a broad, flat structure resembling a shovel. The shovel-like jaw had a pair of flattened, elongated tusks that curved outward and downward, forming a spade-like apparatus. The upper tusks were shorter and less pronounced than the lower ones, contributing to its unique appearance. Although similar to that of modern elephants, its trunk was shorter and more muscular, adapted to aid in feeding and manipulating vegetation. This creature's body was robust and sturdy, supported by strong pillar-like legs, which helped it carry its considerable weight and traverse various terrain. The lower tusks were not just for show, they were highly functional tools. The animal used them to strip back bark and branches from trees, a technique that involved gripping branches with its trunk and pressing them against its lower tusks. It could efficiently shear off foliage and bark by moving its head and tusk in a sawing motion. This feeding strategy allowed it to access a wide range of plant materials, giving it an advantage over other herbivores that could not exploit such resources as effectively. This creature provides significant insights into the evolution of prehistoric mammals, particularly the lineage leading to modern elephants. By studying this animal, scientists can trace the evolutionary pathways that led to the development of various feeding strategies and physical adaptations in large herbivores. This helps to understand how ancient mammals interacted with their environments and how they responded to climatic and ecological changes over millions of years. Long before the reign of dinosaurs, the ancient world was home to a diverse and remarkable array of life forms. From the armored Dunkleosteus and peculiar Doriapsis, to the fearsome Massosaurus, towering terror birds, and shovel-tusked Platybelodon, these creatures showcase ancient organisms' incredible adaptability and evolution. Each species played a vital role in their respective ecosystems, contributing to the complex web of life that existed millions of years ago. This knowledge not only helps us comprehend the past, but also informs our understanding of present-day biodiversity and the potential future of life on Earth. The creatures that lived before the dinosaurs influence our understanding of evolution and natural history by revealing the early evolutionary experiments that paved the way for later life forms. Moreover, the extinction events these ancient animals experienced highlight the fragility of life and the impacts of environmental changes. As we continue to explore the rich tapestry of life that existed before the dinosaurs, we deepen our appreciation for the intricate history of life on Earth. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us to better understand the evolutionary processes that have shaped the natural world as we know it today. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden history of ancient monsters and want to uncover more fascinating secrets from our planet's past, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more incredible stories and discoveries about the ancient world.